Hi, my name is Amanda Andrews, and I'm the volunteer manager here at World of Speed. I have the honor of working with a very special group of volunteers, but did you know that among this group we have volunteers that dedicate their time to processing and organizing collections here in the World of Speed archive? The Plots collection is the perfect example of a collection that could not be made available to members of the public like you without countless hours of volunteer support here in the archive. Bob Plots was a local racing enthusiast and avid photographer who was mostly active in the racing community from the 1970s through the early 2000s. During this time, Bob took hundreds of thousands of slides of countless types of racing. These slides mostly cover SCCA racing, vintage racing, enduro racing, British fleet, Porsches, Chevys, planes, Formula racing, and so much more. It took 6 volunteers a period of 9 months to complete the Plots collection. Having arrived on 3 pallets, Archive volunteer Susan took the first stab at organizing the collection by creating subject piles with the help of fellow volunteers Peter and Steve. After that was complete, O and Glenn came in to organize further and create an itemized inventory. And finally, Tom J. worked on the artifacts. Volunteers do this and so much more here at the museum. If you are interested in joining our team, check out our website at worldofspeed.org/volunteer and apply today.